vector A, vector B and vector C are three mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, and we have to prove that vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equally inclined with the vectors vector A, vector B and vector C, and we have to find angle also. Now magnitude of the vectors are equal. Now let magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B is equal to magnitude of vector C is equal to lambda. Now vector A, vector B and vector C are mutually perpendicular. Therefore vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector C is equal to vector C dot vector A is equal to 0. All are equal to 0 because all are mutually perpendicular. Now vector A plus vector C is equal to square of this is equal to magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vector B square plus magnitude of vector C square plus twice vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A. Now this is equal to plus vector C, magnitude of vector C plus 2 with 0. Why 0? Because vectors are mutually perpendicular from 1. Let this be 1. Now this is equal to lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square. Vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to square is equal to 3 lambda square, or vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to root 3 lambda. Now suppose vector A plus vector B plus vector C makes angle alpha, beta and gamma with vector A, vector B and vector C. Is it clear? So now we have to prove that A plus B plus C is vectors A plus vector B plus C is equally inclined with the vectors A, vector B and vector C. Now let vector A plus vector B plus vector C and vector A now, or we can write it, suppose vector A plus vector B plus makes angles alpha, beta and gamma with vector A, vector B and vector C, then okay, so need not to write this one. Then case 1, in case 1 what we are going to take it, cos alpha is equal to vector A with vector A plus vector B plus vector C upon magnitude of vector A with magnitude of vector A plus vector B plus vector C, according to the definition for the scalar dot product. Now this is equal to plus vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C upon vector A with vector C. Now this becomes square because A dot B and A dot C we are having 0. Okay. So now this is equal to magnitude of vector A and this is lambda upon root 3 lambda is equal to 1 upon root 3. Similarly, cos beta is equal to 1 upon root 3, cos gamma is equal to 1 upon root 3. When we are proving, we will be getting root 3. Hence, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equally inclined on vector A, vector B and vector C angle is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3. This is the angle.